Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain about the stack bar chart. What is stack bar chart? How it is created? So let's start here. Here we have already imported a data set, that is simple supermarket data set, where we can see the orders, like it have different kind of data set like category, city, country, customer ID, customer name, profit, quantity, region, sales, profit, ship mode, ship date, subcategory. So here first I will explain about the stack bar chart here. You see first here, just click on any visuals, we can see its name. So stack bar chart here. Simply drag or click here. So first adjust its size. Here we can see gray color is moving along x-axis here. It means in the on the x-axis will move the numerical data. So here we can see y-axis, x-axis legends. So on the x-axis, we'll move the numeric data like sales here. Sales or profit, anything you can select. I'm selecting sales here. Now, a simple bar is created here with the value total sum of sales. Now, on the y-axis, we'll move the any region or any. You can take any other fields as well. So here we have moved the region like west, east, central, south along y-axis. Now this is simple bar chart only. So but I have to convert into the simple stack bar chart here. So to create that stack, will in the legends will move the category here. Its category also represent the color as well. See here, we have moved the category here. Category are furniture, office supply and technology. So each region is divided into three different categories: furniture, office supply, technology, and size of each stack is depend on the stored sales in that particular region and category wise. For example, if in the west region, take the first one, like west furniture, total sales are 252 612. Its size represent that value. So just take the south category office supply. This is, seems to be the one of the lowest value, and value are 125 651 here. Take another example like south furniture, value are 117 298.68 here. So on each bar only, each category is represented a component of the total sales value here. And beauty of this Power BI visual is that we can copy one visuals as well, copy paste like. So let's do it. Control C, Control V. So here, let's try some different options. Like here, we have represent the sales here. So instead of sales, you can move the profit as well. So let's remove this legend category. So on the x-axis, along with sales, we'll move the profit as well. So where is the profit? Yeah. Now we can see in the x-axis we have moved both numerical value sales and profit here. So here for each region we can see the sales and profit, and we can compare those two value as well in the simple stack bar chart as well.